Oh, go on.
Paradise.
Yeah, yeah.
No joke.
Yeah.
R&R.
What?
No joke.
Are you doing wheelie then?
You make the start.
Yeah. What? So third time camera freeze up down. Boom, but I know what. Yeah, man, the clutch gone. On him brake like this, man. Ease up off of your brake, man. Oh, Jeep! B13 na kaya mo. Oh shit, I went for it. I did go for it, but wasn't a good move, you know? Yeah. What? I go on. Hey. Yeah, dog. Oh, go on.
Yeah, paradise.
Yeah.
No joke.
Yeah.
R&R.
What?
No joke.
Are you the wheelie then?
That's cool.
Me and the car, but through my bike shut off. Me think I run here, I run me off a line.
Recognize them, G.
Eh. There, man. Yo, bless up, same way. Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright, no problem. Last night, I watched your video there, video. Yeah.
You make the start.
Yeah. For real. Yeah. And that, yeah, see me. Me just do it same way. Me no business who watch you, see me. Yeah. Yeah, man. Same way. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me I go and do it same way, man. Yeah. Yeah. A cheap brand, but it a work for me. Yeah. Yeah, man. Take it easy out there. Ah, cool. Yeah. That was gnarly. Wagwan. Yo, Arnold! Big up yourself! And yesterday I watched about video there with the dog. And I say man, I rough up the street. Oh man! And then I stop light and me and man beep. So me I say, ah, the man run me off a light dog, you see me? Oh man! Rate that road, you see? I can't look so lean. Can't lean, man. Left or right? Oh, right. Bing, bing. Rough up road. Hold up. Look, you don't care. Let me have right away. Yeah, right away. Out there, use up the protection. Go on. Protect myself while you are protect me. What the bomb? I'm going Godfather, man, I need a Godfather. You don't know, so we not go overtake round no corner. You know another lifestyle there. Yo, that make me dear, dog. That make me dear. That make me dear. First time I got get left though, yeah. Out there without fear. Down on the boulevard. Yeah, me down around. I almost reach and me stop. I said, who the bombarded? I'm gonna turn up. Oh, what the hey, I was gonna say Sunday evening there are some crazy people, you know. Crazy people out there. Sorry. I almost reached my destination, so soon see who know again. Yes.